Hey Jeremy, my name is Galia, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. So if by the end of this video you liked what you heard, shoot me a message back and we can chat. If not, it's okay. So now let me show 3 things that will set your company above your competition. The first thing I want to go over is content. So I really like the way you website look is really nice, but you need more content here because Google loves content. On your homepage you need at least at least 1500 to 2000 words in your homepage. So the second thing I want to cover is citation. When we type electricians NYC, first we see the ads and then we see this map pack. So you want to be here. And what is citation? It is essentially your business name, address, and the phone number listed in various directories all throughout the web. So it basically, to put it simply, is Yellow Pages, Facebook, LinkedIn, any of those places online that allow business owners to add their business details and services. So you want to be there and to have your citations on your company. And the third thing, last thing to cover is backlinks. And so that has a lot to do with this organic section down here. And as you see, you can see Yelp, Home Advisor, the Angie's List, all of these big national companies that taking top of the page. So the way backlinks work, all it means is that there is a website out there that has a link to your website, and that link to your website could potentially bring some traffic from that other website. So backlinks not always created equal. So if you have, for example, backlinks from ice cream shop and it's all about ice cream and stuff, so it's not going to do it as much good for you as, let's say, another electrician company. A lot more effective when you have a relative site linking to you. That's going to be a little bit more powerful because it's more unique and relevant to your industry. So looking for one of my tools is called Ahrefs. You see you don't have any referring domain backlinks, and it's organic, keyword 0 and traffic is 0. You want on your website bring new customers. So, and as you see right now, it's not looking well. It's not 100% accurate, but it gives you an idea. Like, let's see one of your competitors here. They have 47 referring domains that gives them 381 backlinks. Out of those, they getting 414 keywords and around about 600 people on average to their website each month. So it's to have this something to boost numbers, but it's not even numbers, but at least have something. It's really doable, and we specialize on that. So you want to make sure your website ranking and bringing customers to you. So that's pretty much it. That's all I had, and I hope this video has been educational for you. If you would like to know more about how NYC marketers can help grow your business online, please give me a call and we can chat. If not, no worries. Enjoy the free tips I've given today. I will be in touch with you to get feedback on this video. And thanks again, Jeremy, and you have a great day.